One day, in retreat in the Abbey in Tuscany, while preparing for ordination to the diaconate, I opened a voice message and heard a familiar sound, a friend saying they were coming. And I thought, how sweet the sound of a familiar voice can be. Verba volant. Words have wings. O voice, well known, that callest from afar, to know when it shall be, when thou shalt see the moment of all time. Here, where there are not many accents known, I twice hear thee, for though thou comest to see all things die, there is a gentle sparkle in a sound that for a distant presence yet does sigh, but for a morrow gone to be refound. O eyes, all pure, so sure where he would lead, what dint of hinting Providence did bring your gazing from afar at this my need, for but a heart that gleamed a little thing. We are alone upon a lonely world, but friend and friend can send much on a word.